back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny, and for today's video I will be vlogging like not a proper vlog, but I will be showing you guys what exactly goes behind a proper photo shoot, like from props, background setup, outfit, makeup, hairstyle, and of course the behind the scenes, and lastly editing too. So yeah, if you are interested then please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. And yeah, I have planned for this photo shoot for a really long time, but it was continuously raining from last 1 week, so I wasn't able to do the photo shoot. But today थोड़ा सा धूप निकला हुआ है and I want to take the advantage of it. I want to take the risk. I don't know मैं कितनी कर पाऊंगी, कभी भी बारिश हो सकती है, but I want to take the risk. So now I am going to the market to get some flowers, some roses for this photo shoot. So yeah, let's quickly do that. Okay, so I just came back home and got the flowers, and now I'm just gonna set my hair and then I will see you guys. Okay, so for this photo shoot I was planning to a damped curly sort of a hair look. I don't have a curler and I don't want those prominent curls. I just want a very subtle curls in my hair, and for that I have damped my hair like you can see, and now I'm gonna start braiding my hair into like small section. Like I'm gonna make so many braids. Now let's quickly do that. Okay, so this is my hair situation right now. I know I look funny, but let's ignore that. Okay, so now I will wait for 1 hour or more than that to set up my hair a little, and meanwhile I will set up my backdrop, my background for the pictures, and then I will do my makeup and change this outfit. And yeah, I have imagined and planned this setup, was not sure how it will look in real, but it turned out really good, and this is how the photoshoot setup looks like. Very desi aesthetic kind of minimal setup, and here I'm gonna keep my phone. Now let's start clicking the pictures. So as my prop I am using the rose and the book, pretending to be reading it, just feeling the whole vibe of the setup and the theme and posing according to that. Nothing extraordinary. I like to click my self portraits very like simple and minimal, and these are how the pictures have turned out. You can take inspiration from these pictures. I will edit these pictures later, so watch the video till the end to know how I will edit this. Now here is another hack that you can try out. Take a small piece of paper and apply Vaseline on it and stick it on one corner of the camera, so that it will create a very like dreamy aesthetic kind of effect to the pictures. It wasn't planned, by the way, the idea came up on my mind very suddenly. And yeah, these are how the pictures have turned out. Hi, so I'm done clicking the pictures. I had my lunch, I took a nap, and now I'm going to quickly remove my makeup because it's too late. I kept my makeup for too long, and I will do a little skincare because my face needs that, and then I will edit the picture. I'm super tired right now. My skin feels terrible. I kept the makeup for too long. That's very bad. Don't do it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा torture कर ली मैंने अपनी skin के ऊपर, but the best part, I got so many good pictures. Anyway, I have removed my makeup like you can see, and now it's time for a little skincare. So to wash my face, I will be using this Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. Whenever I torture my skin with makeup, sun pollution, my skin feels really oily and dull. Also, it can cause acne, pimples, etc. So I have started using this face wash, and I am really loving the results. The texture of the face wash is so watery, and I love the smell of this face wash so much. It feels so fresh. So first I'm going to wash my face with plain water and then taking a decent amount of the face wash and gently massaging my face with it. It has tea tree oil which reduces excess oil from your skin and gives it a fresh glow. Neem which purifies skin by removing acne and pimple causing dirt and impurities. Aloe vera which soothes and nourishes your skin. While massaging the face wash, you will feel a cooling and soothing effect to your skin. After massaging, wash your face and gently pat dry it. It does not leave your skin dry. It's super mild and gentle on skin. It just reduces excessive oil and dullness from your skin, which controls acne and pimples and leaves your skin super glowy and healthy. So after washing my face, to lock the moisture of my skin, I like to use a moisturizer. Don't keep moisturizing your face no matter what skin type you have. So I use this Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil-Free Face Moisturizer. It has tea tree which has anti-inflammatory properties which disinfects skin pores. So say no to pimples. Taking a generous amount of the moisturizer and applying it all over my face and massaging it. It has salicylic acid which actually clears clogged pores, reduces blemishes and improves skin appearance. It also prevents blackheads and breakouts. You won't feel sticky at all. It just absorbs onto your skin so well, makes your skin super plumpy and hydrated. If you're looking for a non-sticky moisturizer, just go for this. I love this. I use this twice a day. All the Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemicals like silicone and paraben, and they are made of all the natural ingredients. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a treat that they plant, and they will send you the exact geolocation, the picture and the species of the plant. Use my code which is PAUL2021 to get a 20% discount at their website mamaearth.in. Mamaearth products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Purplle. They also have launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. Done with my little skincare. Now let's get started editing the pictures. So to edit them, I have imported the pictures in Lightroom. Now first I'm going to the light tab and decreasing the exposure. Then I'm decreasing the contrast. Also I am decreasing the highlights fully. Then increasing the shadows, decreasing the whites and increasing the blacks. Then I'm going to the curve section. First adjusting the white curve, editing the exposure, highlights and midtones a bit. If you want to know how this curve things work, then go watch my editing tutorial part 1. The link is in my description box, also on the I button. I have explained everything in details in that video, like how this curve things and everything works, and this is how the white curve is going to look like. And similarly I have edited the red, green and blue curves, and this is how the curves will look like. You can take screenshots. Now I am going to the color tab and then increasing the temperature and the tint of the picture a little, and then also increasing the vibrance and the saturation too. Then I am going to the color mix tab to edit the colors of the pictures individually. So increasing the hue, saturation and decreasing the luminance of the red. The next color is orange, keeping the hue 0. Increasing the saturation and the luminance too. For yellow, decreasing the hue, increasing the saturation and the luminance, and baki there is no other colors in the picture, so everything will remain 0. Then going to the color grading section, then increasing the hue of the shadow to the greenish blue, I mean the teal blue side, and also increasing the saturation of it. Then I am going to the effects tab and decreasing the texture and the clarity of the picture, so it will give the picture a very like soft dreamy effect. Also increasing the dehaze and the vignette, and yeah, that's the final picture. And to know how I have edited this particular pictures, go follow me on my Instagram. I will post the tutorial of the pictures very soon there. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. There is a giveaway going on, so go follow and participate. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.